to change. This is our washrooms. Yeah, this is our washrooms. We are here to change, and then guys. And then so that we can go to the beach. We're already here. We are already here. We are here already we are here already in the beach. I'm here with my friends. We are going to change so that we can go to enjoy ourselves in the beach. There is Margaret. There is the other lady. So bear with us, guys. See our video. We're just happy enjoying ourselves. See you.
Wait, that up.
Everything is up. Nice. Woo! It's our end of our beach day. Too cold here. It is cold. It's almost 6. The last hours of our beach time. We really have a good time together. We enjoyed swimming and we are done. The day is finished. So we are happy. At least we had a great Valentine together with my sisters. So we are happy. Yes, guys. It's already dark now here. There is Stella Vlogs, and this is Gertrude. Here is Mercy, and there is Maggie. Margaret! Sema hi. Sema hi, wewe mami. Stella Vlog.
Hey,
Here is Mercy. We had a great day anyway. It's our Valentine. We really enjoyed ourselves, and Stella there, she's enjoying. She's happy. It's her Valentine today. Everyone is enjoying, and we're happy. The beach was very nice, but now it's too cold. As you can see, nobody in the water because it's almost the time of. We have limit time here until 6. We have few minutes to 6, so that no one is allowed to enter in the water. So we are happy. We enjoyed. We are in Kite Beach. Yes, and we are enjoying our Valentine. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, here we are with my friends in the beach already. That is the beach. We are here. We are in a place called Kite Beach. I'm here with my girls. We just want to eat something so that we can continue. It's a Valentine Day, guys. So Stella Vlogs, she's here, guys. Stella Vlogs, she's here, guys. She's just happy. It's our off day, so we brought her out on a Valentine.
Yeah.
She's enjoying.
Happy Valentine, guys.
Happy Valentine, everyone. Happy Valentine, guys. They are eating something, so let's enjoy this.